New to Walmart? Follow these steps to scale to $10,000 in just 60 days. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing an email from an actual Walmart employee with tips on how to set yourself up for success on Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. In 60 days, I personally made $23,000 on Walmart, and it might not seem like much, but it is for Walmart. I cracked the code and I'm going all in on Walmart this year. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is find some products to sell. If you're brand new to Walmart, you can look at viral products on TikTok or Amazon and then find a manufacturer and then resell them on Walmart. Like there's almost no competition on Walmart. On Walmart, there's 120,000 sellers. On Amazon, there's 2 million sellers. So there's not that many sellers. You can do it. So what you could do is just let's type in, let's say this cute cat shark, right? This one has 200 bought in the past month. This one's making $12,000 a month. Right click, copy image address, go to Alibaba.com, click on this button, type in the image address, search it. It's going to research the image, find the manufacturer for you. This one's $1.62, 250 sold. They're verified. Contact them, and then you could resell it on Walmart. Now, of course, this is just a quick way to do it, right? You want to do a little bit more research, but this is a great idea, and nothing's trademarked on this, so this is a good product to start with. Now, next is once you do that, you're going to go to your catalog and then create the actual products. When they're created, you want to convert them to WFS. So that's going to be my next tip, is convert all of your listings to WFS, which is Walmart fulfilled. It's similar to FBA or Amazon Prime, but it's just Walmart's version, right? So you want to do that. It's going to help you get to page number 1. It's going to make your return rate very, very low. So you're going to get almost no returns. And it's going to give you this cool pro seller badge if you've been doing it for 60 days, right? So this cool pro seller badge gives you faster payouts, 25% off shipping, capital from Walmart, accelerator credit, discounts, and of course you get a nice shiny badge right against your name while you're selling on Walmart. So a lot of different benefits for this. Number 2 is going to be listing quality dashboard, which is to get to page number 1 and increase your sales. This one, most people don't even look at, right? I already had a call last week with an Walmart rep, and they said, look at your listing quality dashboard. Make sure it's all above 80%, minimum 75%. You can literally see right now, our poor listings, Walmart gives you a ranking. And if your listings are poor, it's not going to do well. If it's excellent, they're going to push you to the first page and make sure you're seen organically. So it's in your best interest to edit all of your listings to make sure they are excellent right here for the listing quality, right? You can see our 14 excellent listings made 10 grand in the last 30 days, 23 only made 2.5 grand, and then 12 made only $400 in sales. That's a huge difference. So now my team and myself, we are prioritizing this, and this is going across everything to get your listing quality score for all of your listings at least at 75% or higher, right? If not 80% or higher. 80% is where you get into the excellent category. And here's the thing, Walmart actually tells you exactly what to do. So it says, look, this listing quality is poor. It's got 30 issues. You click on this and you can fix it right away. So you should be doing this at least once a month or even daily initially to get to that 75% point. Number 3 is to get at least 1 review. This is similar to Amazon. When you launch on Walmart, you want to try to get 1 review. There's multiple ways to get reviews, so you can utilize the review accelerator right here. There's also another program called Bazaar Voice. There's also another program called Review Syndication on Walmart. You can Google those 3. But the easiest way is just to get a friend to buy your product, wait a couple days after it's delivered, and then they can leave a review. Now, Walmart right now is not cracking down on reviews. That's why I'm saying that. If you are a little skeptical, or maybe your friend doesn't want to buy it, you can use the Review Accelerator or Bazaar Voice or Review Syndication, right? But you can see right here that there's some products and they don't have any reviews on Walmart, and they're probably not going to generate any sales. Now, yeah, so you just need one review, honestly. You don't need that many. The more reviews, the better, but one is better than none for sure. Number 4 is price. So make sure your price and product are competitive, mainly the price, because Amazon is all about the customer, right? Customer experience, they want it to be amazing. Walmart, what is it? Save money, live better. Walmart, that's literally they're saying. They want you to have the lowest price on the market, or at least match the low price, right? So if we go and we're like, let's say we're selling Hello Kitty Monopoly. You think these guys are gonna generate sales? Look at this, $52, and the other ones are $39.67. Walmart is purposely going to hide this listing, or at least push it down lower compared to this one. And you can see this one says bestseller. They're the exact same item, different images, but exact same item. And they're selling theirs for a lot more. So their listing quality score, this one for 52.18, is much worse than this one. I can tell you that for a fact. So definitely make sure your price is at least the same as Amazon's price for the buy box, or very close. Number 5 is to get a trademark, put your brand name on the listing, and then put a video on there. So here's an example of Uno. So we all know Uno, it's a card game, and they have a video right here. The videos make a difference. You are able to put a video on your listing. So all you have to do is log into Seller Center, go to Media Library, and then you just show Walmart that you have a trademark. And then all of your listings, you can put videos on it. And if you have 360 spin, you can put that on there too. But a video does stand out, and it automatically goes to the second image, so people can really see what your product's about. So it does make a difference. And I'm adding number 6, which is a bonus tip, and that's below the fold content. So whatever you can do to stand out on Walmart is a recommendation for me. You can just type in Coca-Cola right now on Walmart. Now let's scroll down. Let's see if I can get through this. They think I'm a robot because I've got too many tabs open. But you can see about the brand right here. They have below the fold content, and it has images, and it showcases the product before the customer can scroll down to the reviews. This is something to help with credibility. It's gonna help you stand out. And the only way to get this right now is to go to optimize.ai/Walmart. Here it is. So Walmart doesn't have this built into their system yet. They use a third-party service, which right now it is free to use. So you can use this, you can check their pricing, it's free right now. I think for the first 3 listings, so you might as well try it out and then get that below the fold content. So Walmart partners with them, and then you can access it and get below the fold content just like Coca-Cola has. And every single difference makes a difference and helps increase your sales. But that's it for this video. But staying towards the end, I'm gonna show you what a Walmart employee said on how to increase your sales and set yourself up for success. This is from an actual Walmart employee. You can see his email right here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, but pretty much what they're saying is historically we've seen a 30% lift in sales when sellers prepare for holiday early and consistency. And then number 1 is the thing he recommended is having 20 top selling items, right? So it's saying to make sure you have at least 20 items in stock. The more the better with Walmart. So if you're just selling 1 item and you're not having much success, I recommend to just expand your catalog to get to try to get to 20 items, at least 10. But they're saying to have 20 items in stock, and that's gonna help push your sales. Price competitively, I already spoke about this. Walmart has a tool where they analyze your listing compared to Amazon's, and if your price is higher, Walmart will hurt your listing. Walmart's all about price, right? If you know the slogan, save money, live better, Walmart, it's about price. So don't have a higher price. You can match the same price, but try not to have a higher price. Maximize your sale potentials by offering fast shipping. Pretty much just enroll in WFS. Have all of your items in WFS. The storage fees are so inexpensive right now on Walmart, so I recommend to do it. Higher search rank and buy it now wins for a 50% increase in sales on average. 50% is pretty high. Drive traffic. They've got 2 types of ads on Walmart. They've got SEM ads, which is similar to Google ads, but it's very easy to start on Walmart. And then the second one is advertising.walmart.com. Advertising.walmart.com. So that's like a Walmart PPC. So they got two different ad sections. I don't know why it's separate, but it is what it is. But hey, it works. It works. So try them out. Advertising.walmart.com I think works better than the SEM ads, but you can test it out. And they're saying pretty much if you ship late, you'll get suspended. So just don't ship late. Don't use WFS and you're good to go. And then how to contact Walmart seller support. But that's it for today's video. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle selling on Walmart? If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.